Top 3 Best Outdoor Security Camera 2026. Discover the best outdoor security camera for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 3. Blink Mini 2K Plus Indoor Security Cameras, 2-pack. Upgrade your home security with the Blink Mini 2K Plus Indoor Security Cameras, 2-pack. Crystal clear 2K resolution, night vision, and motion detection outperform similar indoor cams. Compact and wire-free, they're easy to install anywhere. Unlike competitors, Blink Mini offers seamless integration with Alexa and free cloud storage. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to compare features effortlessly. Whether in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, these smart cameras deliver peace of mind. Monitor your space in real time from your phone, anytime, anywhere. Reliable, affordable, and built for modern homes. Choose Blink Mini 2K Plus for smarter, sharper indoor monitoring that truly stands out. Number 2. Ring Indoor Cam 1080p HD White. Stay secure with the Ring Indoor Cam 1080p HD White, your smart, affordable home monitoring solution. Compared to similar indoor cameras, it delivers crisp 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and real-time alerts directly to your phone. Easily move between items using your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore features and specs. Whether you're in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, the Ring Indoor Cam stands out for its reliability and seamless integration with the Ring ecosystem. Designed for effortless setup and peace of mind, it's perfect for keeping an eye on pets, kids, or deliveries. Choose smarter security. Choose Ring. Number 1. TP-Link Tapo C11080p Indoor Security Camera. The TP-Link Tapo C11080p Indoor Security Camera delivers sharp, full HD video with night vision, two-way audio, and motion detection, outperforming similar budget cameras with clearer image quality and reliable performance. Easily navigate product options using your keyboard's up and down arrows to compare features. Designed for home safety, it offers seamless setup via the Tapo app and supports local storage with a microSD card. Unlike competitors, it includes advanced encryption for privacy. Whether monitoring pets, kids, or home security, the C100 ensures peace of mind. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement for tailored results. Trust TP-Link for smart, secure, and affordable home monitoring solutions. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.